Here are today's projects. Most of this is mostly built already, so it shouldn't be. I'm sure we'll get to more. We're gonna start with this one because it is, I mean, that's probably done. It's missing that in the back, but we'll check it. Like, see, this is easy. 2x14. That's crazy. Well, before we go digging, I'm just gonna see if I have one sitting around. And that looks like it might be a 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yep. Crazy that I can eyeball that now. That might be a 14. Yep, sure is. Well, that is just convenient, isn't it? I just checked it all. It looks good. So we're just gonna pop that right on. I'm just checking this one. That's missing. And a steering wheel. Okay. We're gonna grab that right there. If I can get my fingers around it. Okay. And then it is a light bluish gray steering wheel, which doesn't look good. I found a old gray one, but I feel like I should save that for a project that needs it. Rather than spend time digging for one, I checked my Bricklink store and I have one. I think it was 4. There we go. This right here is like the first semi-complex thing to be missing. So we're gonna take a little time to dig for that. Might as well just check, make sure everything else is okay, so I know if I need to keep an eye out for anything else. Nope, we look good. Okay, so just this. And why does that look goofy? Okay, so we do need that part as well. It's probably like already assembled in these bins somewhere. Let's go ahead and set that aside because we're going to be working on that. I think that's one of them. Okay, yeah, I think those are them. I need to double check. But I also found some cool like tiles that'll help me figure out what else is in here. Yes, definitely them. Facing the wrong way, but definitely them. And okay, so just the lightsaber handle with a red cone. I should have that lying around, I think. I had it and was putting it on. There it is. Okay. Not as bad as I thought that was gonna be. Of all the things to be missing, an Emmet head has to be one of the most obnoxious. I'm gonna keep powering onward. So we're just missing his head and hair. I'm pretty sure I have a spare of his hair somewhere. And it's so common. His head has to turn up eventually, right? Either, I'm like checking a pile over here now. It'll turn up. And then I gotta find the light blue blaster. Hopefully that stuff will turn up as we work on this one. Looks pretty good so far, actually. Not too bad. Other than the red piece that finishes the fire hydrant, made it to step 29 before stuff started going missing, and it was an easy find, but that's a long way to go before stuff went missing. Now we're in the thick of it. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rather than dig for it, let's just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's got stuff on it. I need to throw it away or clean it. There we go. Went looking for that. Came back with that. Woohoo! Just gotta put this together and it is all done. It is not presenting itself. We will temporarily set this aside and start working on something else. Hopefully, it'll just appear. So I know this was on our to-do list today, and I know this surfboard, whatever it is missing for the bulldozer. And I was hoping while working on those other two, it would show up. Is this it right here? No, it's supposed to be orange. Okay, I was about to lose my mind a little bit. So we are looking for Emmett's head. We are looking for a yellow bin. Anything else? A gray blaster, the light bluish gray blaster. So let's pick something else to work on. I have found that if I don't obsess over finding one thing, but rather move on and start working on something else, I tend to accidentally find what I was looking for in the first place. There's one specific one that I was kind of keen to build. Oh, I saw a lot of that. Let me set that aside. Saw a lot of that as well. That's going to be a massive project. I'm kind of just waiting till the end. There's like a Ninjago pirate ship, like flying ship, and I don't see a manual for it. Okay, that's fine. Technique. So yeah, that's just right here. Cool. And is this? Yep. Seriously need to restock my orange. Don't even have 2 1x4s. Let's dig. Okay, I gotta build this. Most of it's been coming out of here. So, oh, I think I saw the base plate. Yep, that's the right size. So hopefully it just comes out of here easy. Found a large portion of it, but not enough. It is just one of those days, and I have not found any more of this. Shoot, what do I want to do? There's the good news. Here's the half good news. Was able to piece that together. Oops, I gotta finish the top of it. But I have it. It's just that bottom piece and missing the hammer right there. You may be thinking, what's the big deal? Just order the parts. And I can do that, and I have done that multiple times with this big project. But what's ended up happening is I've been working on something, like, I can't find it. Ordered the parts, got 2 or 3 more projects in, and then started finding the parts that I was missing. So I would rather not if I can save the money, but when I'm spending this much time, it kind of makes more sense too. It also just drives me a little crazy that I have 3 incomplete sets just waiting. And the parts for that one should be arriving either today or tomorrow. And that'll be in a different video though. I think just for the sake of feeling like I accomplished something today, until the order comes in with all the parts, because I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. Oops, swap them? Yeah, swap them. Those are mostly complete. Like, I think only the radar dish is missing. So we'll just check it out real quick, but I think they are mostly done. Other than that cheese wedge right there, it's complete. I got them pulled right there, and you can see that these two here are cracked, so just gonna go ahead and replace those. Was looking for Chewie's crossbow, and look what I found. That's exactly the kind of thing I'm talking about. There we go. Done and done. Okay. Still gonna order the parts for the stuff that's missing, so it'll be probably about a week for me and an instant for you.